Activate Bizum in Bankinter Step-by-Step 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to activate Bizum in the Bankinter mobile app, step-by-step, updated for 2025. Whether you want to send money quickly or receive payments with just a phone number, Bizum makes it easy, and I'll show you how to set it up. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Bankinter mobile app. Launch the Bankinter app on your phone and sign in using your credentials or fingerprint. Step 2. Go to the Transfers section. From the main menu, select the Transfers or Payments option. You'll find Bizum listed under this section. Step 3. Tap Register for Bizum. If you haven't used Bizum yet, you'll see an option to register. Tap on it to begin the setup. Step 4. Enter your phone number. Type in the mobile number you want to link to your Bizum account. This will be used to send and receive money. Step 5. Choose your primary account. Now select the Bankinter account you want to link to Bizum. This is where the money will be sent or received. Accept the terms and conditions. Carefully read and agree to the Bizum user terms and privacy policy, then proceed. Step 7. Verify with a code. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter it in the app to confirm your phone number. And you're done. Bizum is now active in your Bankinter app, and you can start sending and receiving money instantly using just a phone number. Tip: if your number is already linked to Bizum through another bank, you'll need to unlink it first before registering on Bankinter. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.